A file is opened on the network, just a normal shared folder. Nothing suspicious, but in the background, a connection is being captured. Not blocked, not stopped, relayed. This is NTLM Credential Relay. An attacker doesn't steal your password. They forward your login request in real time. Here's how it works. Your system tries to authenticate to a shared resource using NTLM. The attacker intercepts that request and instantly passes it to another system. The second system thinks it's you logging in. Access granted. No password cracked. No alerts triggered. Just trust abused. Attackers love this because it's fast, silent, and highly effective. They can access files, execute actions, even move deeper into the network. It happens in Windows networks, file shares, enterprise environments using SMB. Anywhere NTLM authentication is active. Here's how to stay safe. Disable NTLM where possible and use stronger authentication methods. Enable SMB signing to prevent tampering. Monitor network traffic for unusual authentication patterns, because sometimes it's not about stealing your identity, it's about using it in real time. Follow me before hackers follow you.